All right, so in question number 14, we are told that a tailor takes twice as much time to make 3 dresses as he would to need to make 5 shirts. So let's think about this carefully. When he wants to make 3 dresses, it takes twice as much time as it does to make 5 shirts. So don't accidentally get it the other way around. The wording kind of makes it look like it might be this. So if you don't read it right, you might think that it says it takes twice as much time as it does to make 3 dresses to make 5 shirts. But that one's wrong. So we're just going to erase that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's let this pink bar here represent the amount of time that it takes to make 5 shirts. So what can we use to represent the amount of time that it would take to make 3 dresses? Well, according to our information here, it takes twice as much time as it does to make 5 shirts to make 3 dresses. So we're going to need 2 of these bars. So let's represent that like this. So this longer bar represents the amount of time that it takes to make 3 dresses. And the longer bar is twice as long as the shorter bar. And so it certainly makes sense that the amount of time it takes to make 3 dresses is twice the amount of time that it takes to make 5 shirts. Now the next piece of information that we're given is that it takes 90 minutes to make 9 dresses and 15 shirts. So how can we represent 9 dresses and 15 shirts using the bars that we just created? Well, we know that one of the smaller bars represents the amount of time that it takes to make 5 shirts. So if we want to make 15 shirts, well, we're going to need 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. 5 shirts times 3. This is the amount of time that it takes to make 15 shirts. What else do we need? We need 9 dresses. So what did we figure out above? Every time we make 3 dresses, we need 2 of the bars. So here's 3 dresses. Let's also label what we're doing. So this is 15 shirts. Then this is 3 dresses. But we need 9 dresses, so let's keep going. So here is 3 more dresses, and we still need 3 more. So, okay, now we're getting somewhere. So this is 3 dresses, and this is 3 dresses. So altogether, these 6 bars represent 9 dresses. Now we're told that it takes 90 minutes to make 9 dresses and 15 shirts. So it takes 90 minutes to make all these things here. And we want to figure out how much one of these bars is worth. So how many bars did we create? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the course of 90 minutes, we made 9 bars. Well, how do we find out how much 1 bar is worth? How do we get from 9 bars to 1 bar? Well, we would divide by 9. And then we have to do the same thing to the other side. Divide by 9. Okay, what's 90 divided by 9? 10 minutes. And what is 9 divided by 9? 1 bar. Okay, so now we know that every time we have one of these pink bars, it represents 10 minutes. But the question asks us something else. Let's scroll back to see here. Specifically, they want to know how long it takes for the tailor to make each shirt. Okay, so let's look at 1 bar again. Okay, here's 1 bar. So 1 bar represents 10 minutes. But in terms of shirts, we also know that each bar represents the amount of time that it takes to make 5 shirts. So there are 5 shirts in each one of these bars. So the question is, if this whole bar represents 10 minutes, then how much does one of these little pieces represent? How much does this represent, or this, or this, or this, or this? In other words, if we know that 5 shirts are made in 10 minutes, how long does it take to make 1 shirt? Well, how do we get from 5 shirts to 1 shirt? We divide by 5, and then we'll also have to divide the amount of time by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1 shirt, and 10 divided by 5 is 2 minutes. And there's your answer. It takes 2 minutes to make each shirt.